Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vid's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make $100 to $250 on every day from the comfort of your home. If you are working professional, you can do it in your spare time and make this money. And if you're not working, you don't need to worry anything because it does not require any kind of expertise or skill. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Then we will deep dive into how you can make $100 to $250 on every day. So here we are going to use the uTest application. First thing first, what is the uTest application? uTest application is a user testing platform which connects the companies to the end user like you and me. Here companies are looking for honest feedback on their product and services, and they are willing to pay for it also. If you are tech enthusiast or someone like me who are willing to make some additional money, this can be a great fit for you. Now next step, how does it work? We are going to see it. The first step, you are going to go to the uTest application, you are going to register it. After the registration, you are going to apply to the different project. Once you get allocated to a project, you are going to perform the application, you perform the testing, you submit your result. Company is going to review your test result. Once that is okay, you get the paid. How you get the paid, I'm going to talk about the end of this video. So stay up to the end of video so you can get more out of this, and you can also make $100 to $50 easily.
So here in the google.com, you are going to type uTest application. So you can select utest.com. So since we are registering our user to this application portal, you are going to click on the become a uTester. Here you are going to provide your name and details, email address, date of birth, and you can select the language which language you speak. So by default English is default, but some applications require the testing in different language. You can provide your language also. Once you provide this detail, you're going to click on the next. So here it is going to take your default location based on computer. You can provide the location here. Now next, click on the devices. In the device area, it will basically ask you what is the computer you are using, what is the phone you are using. You can specify here. It will help them to identify to tag in a particular project. So here I'm going to select, let's say I can select the Android or Apple here, and model I have iPhone 15. Here you are going to provide the test user password. And then stay informed. If you want to get the email for all the 4 notification, select read and accept terms and conditions, click on complete setup. Then you are going to receive the email. So here you see participate in the uTest Academy. We are going to click on here. It will ask you to sign in again. So since we have registered it, but our email confirmation is pending, what happen if you log in here? So let me log in here. So it says the email has been sent to your email account. You have to confirm based on the email. So I will go and confirm my email account. Once that is verified, you can log in this application. So I have confirmed my email. Now I can go back and log in this application. So you go here, click on the login, and my email address. Then I can provide the password. Click on sign in. So here one more thing you need to remember. So you can complete your profile, and after that what you are going to do, if you want to apply for the project, you are going to come in this area, click on the project. Here you will see that you will have a lot of projects, and then you click on the view all project. Here you see all the projects. So in this area I am going to tell you 2 things. You can select the project based on your application, like you have Android, you have iOS, and based on country also you can filter it. And some of the project you can have from across all the countries across the globe. They don't require particular location. You can apply for that project. For time being, let me show you couple of project how you can apply there. So here, let's say this is my very first. You see lot of projects are there. If you scroll down, lot of project, and you can go ahead and apply on all those projects. Sometimes they tell you also how much you are going to pay, and for that you have to click on the project and you can see the detail how much they are going to pay it. And the time is, sometimes this project require only 30 to 60 minutes, so you don't need to worry about like how long it will take. So timing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this buy and return test shipping through a customer journey. So this is a particular portal where the company wants to provide the feedback on their application. For time being, I'm going to apply this project, but here you need to make sure this is applicable for particular countries like Australia, United States. If you belong to that country, then you can apply it. So I'm going to apply it here. So what happened, it will basically it will ask you a couple of details, your name and interest and other thing. Then only it confirm you are a participant in the project. So this is the project description. So one more thing you have to remember, as a tester, you agreed to abide by terms and conditions non-disclosure agreement, which prohibit you from disclosing, sharing, or any way posting our client name or project data outside of a test cycle. So this is the NDA you may need to sign. If you see, it says if you are a tester in the United States, click here. So here you are going to provide all the detail. So user ID, you can take it from here. It asks for the user ID. You can take this user ID. Click on next. So it is asking which country you belong to and which state. And then it will ask you to click on submit. So what happened, as of now, you have applied for one project. You can similarly apply for multiple projects. Once these applications are submitted, it will go to the company and they will allocate you the project. Based on their confirmation, your details are matching to, or your profiles are matching to their project, they will send you email that you have been selected for this project, and this timeline, like 1 to 3 days, 1 to 7 days, 1 to 2 months, you have to complete a few tasks. And it does not guarantee like sometime how soon you can get paid. The most important thing here is that you get allocated to project. After that, you have to perform the testing cycle, and they also tell you how you are going to perform the testing cycle. If it is a mobile Android application, they will tell you go navigate here and there. If there's a new application or services, they will ask you to log in here, do this, do that. It is very simple, easy. You don't need to worry about that. But when you're providing your testing result, be thorough there. You need to make sure you provide most of the details, so it can help company to review their product or services. So this is how you are going to apply the project. The next thing we want to tell you that how you can maximize your income using this platform. The most important thing is you keep applying to the different project. Second thing, pay attention to your email. If you are allocated to some project, you are going to see those email and start working on this project. Third thing, be sure that you are performing the test cycle particularly, like very carefully. You need to very thorough. You providing the most of the detail in that test cycle. It will help their company to submit their product for the next phase, and they can select you for the next project also. So this is how you can increase your income. And this is all about the uTest application. I hope you like the video, and using this uTest application, definitely you can make the extra income. And it's not a particular timing or like those things. You can work anytime, whenever you get the time, whenever you are free, you can start working on those projects. Please put in comment how you like about this video, and I have provided this uTest application link in the description also. You can go ahead and register yourself and apply the project and start making the money. Don't forget to hit like and comment to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.